What is good, party peeps? Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, welcome to the party. Oh my god. I hope you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything in the future so we can keep on partying, okay? All right. So we're going to get into this nail set. I'm starting off with some McCart rhinestone glue so we can do these mermaid, bunny, aquarium, glittery goodness of nails that we got today, okay? And as you can see, my tube burst. This always happens with me with this rhinestone glue, but it's so good that I just cannot stop buying it. I'm not really sure how to remedy that, but I ended up cutting off the tip of the glue, but it still doesn't. But anywho, as you guys can see, I put the nail tip onto the rhinestone glue, cured it, and now I have a flat backing. I got that tip from Ball Pit Addict and also Nails by Deb. They are some of my favorite nail techs. Make sure to go and check them out. Right now I'm just prepping my nails and I'm putting some cuticle oil down right before I go in with my McCart peel off base coat. Yep, my baby McCart and I go together real bad, like real bad. But anyways, I'm just wiping off that excess oil, that way they don't come off too easy, because whenever I don't put down a layer of oil, they okay, the McCart peel off base, it's good. It is good, but like my nail beds are a little dry, so sometimes they like to stick for a little longer. So I have to put a thin layer of oil, okay? All right. And now I'm going in with my Honey Fam or Honey Nails nail forms. These are beautiful. These are thick. They are long. I love them. Don't think dirty. I know you. But I'm just putting down some nail forms. And then I struggled with the aquarium tip off camera. If y'all know me and tips are not good together. As you can see, I dropped it. Like, I don't know why tips got a vendetta against me, but I'm gonna let y'all listen to this ASMR real quick. Okay, I did not want to interrupt that little ASMR moment, but now I am going in with a small detail brush and Koopa's top coat to seal around the edges, because we don't need oil leaking all over the place, baby. Like, hell no. So yeah, I'm just doing that. And y'all, I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I love the tapered tips. I love me a tapered, refined nail. Now I'm showing you the different acrylics that I used today. This is Bad and Bougie by Valentino, and this is Excite Me. This is also from Valentino, and then I just went ahead and sculpted out my nails. I patted it down, I pressed it out, I made them long and pretty and everything, okay? So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch the process, and I'll be back. Okay, party peeps, I did want to pop in and interject so I could give a little bit of a nail tip. Get it? Nail tip. All right, I'm gonna stop. But pretty much, I wanted to help you guys if you are struggling with your acrylic application, because I'm still learning. I'm not the best, I'm not the fastest, but I feel like this might help. So I like to place my acrylic and then I like to pull it and drag it down the nail. You kind of see how I'm doing that with the cuticle bead? Yeah, I like to do that. That way it can already establish my length, my shape, and my structure, and then I just go in and refine it. Personally, this is why I like forms, because you can kind of just go ahead and do whatever you want in terms of that. But yeah, as you can see, I place it and I pull it down. That way the nail is already there. Like, it just did the work for you, you know? Now I'm going in with Young Nails Core Clear, because the Sweet Clear is a little too fast for me, especially with the monomer that I use. And I'm just capping all of the nails. All right, and last but not least, we are going in and making our thumbnails. So I'm placing down Excite Me, which is that glittery white color, and then I'm going to go on top of Excite Me with Bad and Bougie, and I'm going to fade that out and have a little ombre, little baby boomer moment, you feel me? Okay. And then after that, I ended up capping with, again, Young Nails Core Clear. You know I had to throw in a little ASMR moment for y'all. Okay, so now I have this little LED UV nail light, and also INSTA Ibiza glitter from World of Glitter. I butchered that name. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill up my aquarium nail with glitter and all sorts of doodads and knickknacks, okay? Next, I'm using some Starcraft glitter from Mikael's. Yes. And I'm just filling up the nail with that. I went in with my Cuscio nail oil and I filled up the nail. I probably should put this in first. That way the glitters didn't stick to the bottom. But you live and you learn. I'm using some caviar beads from Amazon. You can get them from anywhere though. And then I'm using my Koopa top coat again so I can seal the top. This is just a little clear piece that I made with the McCart rhinestone glue, using that HandItToDani UV nail light and keyring. And then I'm just using my regular top coat. This is from D&D, and I'm putting that on the back and also sealing up the sides once again. So now you can see me using my hand drill. I'm using the Koopa Mini Passport Pro with a medium grit nail file from Pana. You can easily get these from Amazon. That's where I got mine. And I'm just shaping it up, making it cute, making it all refined and crisp and sharp and, real crispy, real crunchy. Do people say crunchy? That's probably not right. Okay. And then I'm just being really, really careful with this aquarium nail and filing off the excess pieces that are sealing up the nail, but also making the nail look really nice and refined and crisp. Like, you can't tell that it's a aquarium nail. Like, you don't really see the bulk with this, if I do say so myself. I feel like I did a little good of a job, if I do say so myself, not to toot my own horn. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this process, and I'll be back. So now that we have a crisp, clean, and smooth canvas to work off of, let's get into the fun stuff. We are going to use Daily Charms Stay Put Jelly, and I'm placing that on my ring fingernail. And we're putting down a bunny. I don't know where I was going with this set, but I felt it. This is Honey Fam's Diamond Stay Nail Glue, and I'm just placing my crystals one by one. These crystals are from Blue Street Crystals, but the stars are from my crystal idea. I believe that they're from the Aurora brand, and they're just like regular white crystals. I got them in different colors. Yo, my editing's kind of tripping me out. It's like boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, bam, yeah. This beautiful specimen of a charm is from Daily Charm, and I'm just placing that on my thumbnail. And here's a little crystal ASMR. I got this container from Amazon. It is the Elizabeth Ward Craft Organizer, and I got this off of another amazing nail tech. Her name is Top of the Sky, and when I saw her use this for her crystal organization, I was like, mwah, genius. I need to get it ASAP, right now, pronto, okay? But now, as you can see, I'm going in between all my crystals and top coating all my nails so they can be all nice and shiny and glossy, baby. Okay, looking real nice and smooth. All right. To add on to the doodads and knickknacks of my nails, we're going to put some 3D flowers. Yes, 3D flowers. And I'm going to be using Young Nails XXX White to put on these 3D flowers, and I'm just putting those on my index finger and also my pinky. I'm not an expert when it comes to these. I'm not a connoisseur, but I feel like they got the nails done, Lord. They got the nails done, most definitely, but they got the job done, okay? You can tell that they're some type of floral foliage situation, okay? I think. They kind of look like teeth at one point, but that's fine. It's okay. And to finish off these bad mama jammas, I went in and put in some more crystals because you can never have enough bling. Like, come on now. I used my Honey Fam diamond gel or diamond glue, and I went in between those flowers. I used the crystal cleaner from Honey Fam as well, and here are the nails.